Good morning students, Jayadash here. Today I am explaining the chapter Rational Numbers. Exercise 9.1 from NCERT Math book of class 7. Now today's part is equivalent rational number. Take an example 2 by 3. You know that it is a rational number because one is numerator and another one is denominator. If it is in the form of numerator and denominator, so it is a rational number. Now you have to write 3 equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. How we will write the equivalent fraction of any given number? We are writing this number 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 rational numbers, so I have written 2 by 3 3 times. Now I am multiplying it 2 by 3. First I will multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, then by 3, then by 4. What I will get? Then it will be 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. This is our rational numbers which is equivalent to 2 by 3. Actually, if we cancel it in the simplest form, we will get same number as 2 by 3. These numbers are known as equivalent rational number. Now, how to find out the given point? What is the rational number representing S, R, P and Q? See the number line carefully. What is representing here? It is 0. It is 1, positive side, it is 1, 2 and 3. Here we can see that 2 and 3, this part is divided into 3 equal parts. Why it is 3? Because from here to here 1 part, 2 part and 3 part. So this part is divided into 3 equal parts. So we can write P is equal to after 2 it is 2 and 1/3 part of this portion, 1/3, that is 2, 1 by 3, that is 3 to 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. It is representing, P is representing 7 by 3. Q, for Q what is the rational number? It is in between again P, 2 and 3. How many parts it has been taken? 1 and 2. So after 2, it is after 2, 2 and 2 by 3, that is 2, 2 by 3, 3 to just 6, 7, 8, 8 by 3. Understood? Now come to this part. This part it is R and it is S. To represent the rational number, which rational number is representing by R, we have to check the number line again. It is -1 and -2. It is in between -1 and -2. So R representing, after -1 again you see that 1 and 2 and 3 equal parts. So each part is 1/3. R is representing -1 and 1/3. After -1, 1/3 part extra. So it is -1, 1 by 3, that is 3 1 3 plus 1, -4 by 3. Similarly, S representing -1 and 1 part, 1/3 part, another 1/3 part. So 2 1/3 part, that is -1, 2 by 3, that is 3 1 3 plus 2, 5 by 3, -5 by 3. Understood? In this way you have to represent the rational numbers, what is representing on the number line. Now another part, rational number, how to convert rational number into standard form. Take one example. Say it is 25 by 45. Both are positive number, so no need to change any sign or anything. Now you have to cancel it in the simplest form. Now how to cancel? Cancellation, I am expanding cancellation in a expanded form. How to cancel? As because both the numbers are divisible by 5, first I am dividing it by 5. 25 divided by 5, 45 also divided by 5. Now 25 divided by 5 result is 5, 45 divided by 5 result is 9. Now next, if I will check, can it divisible anymore? No. So it is the standard form. Next come to a negative rational number. It is 36 by minus 24. In a standard form, we will not allow the denominator in the negative sign. So I have to move this sign in the numerator. To move this sign in the numerator, what we will do? We will multiply minus 1 both numerator and denominator. In that case, what we will get? Minus 24 into minus 1. Our result will be plus 24, and minus 36 into minus 1, minus 36. Actually, our negative sign will come from denominator to numerator. Now cancel. Both the numbers are negative numbers but even numbers. You can divide it by what number you can divide both the numbers. Start with 6. 6 6 is 36. 6 4 is 24. Again, both are even number. I can divide. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. So our answer is minus 3 by 2. So what is in the standard form? What we have to check? The number should be in the simplest form. Denominator will be free from negative sign. Understood, students? Thank you.